If you've lived in Nashville for any period of time, I'm sure you have seen the lime yellow trucks that are on the highways of Nashville. And I actually wondered what they were and what they did for probably 17 years before I figured it out. So I thought that's what we're going to talk about today. Let me tell you the story of how I learned what the TDOT HELP Program is. So those lime yellow trucks are a program put on by TDOT, which is Tennessee Department of Transportation, and it is called their HELP program. And that's literally what it is. So back in 2019, my family loaded up our car. We were going on a 90-day trip to Texas. Basically, we were gonna live in Texas for 3 months. And we had loaded up our entire life into the back of our car. We drove up 65 and we turned on 440 to head to 40 to go to Texas. We were at the beginning. We were like 30 minutes in to a 16 hour drive. And we got a flat tire on 440. We realized one of our tires was flat. We pulled over. Our spare is at the bottom of our car, which means we had to unload everything out of our car to get to our spare. And in doing that, we also were thinking, how am I getting to we got to get the spare so we can go to a shop, so we can fix our tires, so we can get back on the road. And one of those trucks pulled up behind us, and they are like highway angels. And we almost had the truck completely unloaded. They said, stop what you're doing. We can fix the tire. They fixed the tire on the side of the highway, helped us reload our stuff, and then sent us on our way down the road. So it is an amazing, amazing program that I have never seen anywhere else. They have gas, they have water, they can repair small things on the car, they can tow. Like if you get in trouble on any of the major highways in Nashville, those lime yellow trucks are there to help you. And from firsthand experience, they really are helpful. You can see all the different routes that they run. There's obviously sometimes emergencies that pull them off of that. I've never seen this anywhere else that I've lived. It is amazing. They saved the day for us. They literally made our travel experience so much better. Now, this isn't a thing you can call. You can always call the non-emergency number 615-862-8600 and someone may be able to divert someone to come help you. But the reality is they spend their day driving the highways looking for people that they can help because their mission is to keep congestion down and to make the travel experience better. And I would say they are crushing it at that. So that is one of the greatest things I love about Nashville highways is the TDOT HELP program. And we are forever grateful for this program and love that our tax dollars go towards it.